So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to Gigabyte official website to come this www.gigabyte.com, and then right hand side the search button, just click and then enter your model number of your motherboard. Okay, B760M CV3, and then hit enter. Then click on product. Then click on the title of the motherboard name. Then click to support. This is your motherboard. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. Okay, so if you are using suppose Windows 10, so you can watch this video and install, because installation process is VGA driver. Click to download. You can see this is start downloading, and just open and double click to run. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. And it is done and closed.